Hi, I'm Ronnie from Achtung Camper, and I'm going to show you a little bit about the electrics. So, because if you haven't used your van for a while, you probably will forget a little bit of stuff. So this will just be a little like a fresh up thing course. All right, so you probably will know where the fuses are, but just to confirm again, we have all the fuses are under your driver's seat. You will be supplied with a little plan that will tell you which fuse is for what. So you only have two different types of fuses in there. You've got the purple ones are 3 amps and the blue ones are 15 amps. So your fridge, like this yellow one, is your fridge. If anything goes wrong, this fuse will break, and then there will be a red LED on, so you know which fuse it is that is broken. So you can replace it, or if it breaks again, there is something wrong, which shouldn't happen, but yeah, like it's good to know how it all works a little bit. So the put the cap back on. So your battery is located here. The battery is fitted with a battery monitor. If you hover over here with your phone, there's a code there. You can download the app. You're supplied with a manual as well, so you can read about how it works, and this will pretty much show you where your battery is at. So try not to look too much at the percentage, use more the voltage that it says. Like 12.8 is completely full, 10.3 is completely empty, so you will know where you are roughly. Your fridge will turn off around, I think, 11.3 at the top of my head. I could be wrong, but around that 11 volt it will turn off. So then you pretty much yeah, 30% down or something like that. The lights will still stay on. So your battery is fitted with a red arc system. This is the one that charges your battery when you are driving the car. So as soon as you turn on your ignition, that will charge your battery. And if you have a solar on the roof, or you plug in a solar, that will charge your battery with this one as well. So you see there solar, and then we'll be yeah, we'll be charging. If you turn the vehicle on, there will be say vehicle. Stage will be blinking, will tell you where it is at, so you have a manual with that as well. There will be boost, absorption, and floating. When it's floating, it's pretty much full. Yeah, then your battery charges as well when you have your car plugged in on the outside, so your 240 volt, and that will charge. You have a battery charger that's fitted behind the fridge that will charge your battery when you're plugged into 240 mains power. This as well will turn on as soon as you plugged in. All the power points that you have in the car, which is one here and one in the rear cabinetry, they will be live as well, so you can use them. You could plug a kettle in here, or a hair straightener, something, that stuff that is necessary. If they don't work, have a look here. This is your safety switch, like what you have at home. That should always be up. If that trips, which could be, like if you have your hair straightener and your microwave and your kettle all running at once, that might trip. But if that just trips by itself, have a look outside. Maybe the lead has been in the water, or there is something wrong on the lead. So trace your steps back a little bit and have a look where the issue is. Yeah, if it keeps tripping. So that is pretty much oh yes, thanks Narada. This is your battery charger. Do not unplug this, because then your battery won't charge anymore. So leave it in, make sure it's always on. So as soon as you turn, as soon as you plug into 240, your battery will start recharging. So please just leave that in and ignore it. Yeah, so with our lights, we're really happy with these. They are really nice LED ones, but sometimes, very rarely, they don't turn on or don't turn off. So they react really funny. But what we worked out, if you grab the little chart that we give you for the fuses, then have a look for LED lights and just unplug the fuse for it, and then that will reset them. So they pretty much, as soon as you put it back in, they will work again. It's really weird, but it works 100%. And otherwise we haven't had any trouble with them. They're really great lights. Like, they haven't burned or blown. They've been amazing, actually. That's the only tiny little thing that once in a while happens. So we just want to let everyone know that if that happens, just pull the fuse out, wait a couple seconds, put it back in, all back to normal. And I think, yeah, that's the electrics.